Hello students, as you know that I have already uploaded 7 videos of quadratic equation and two videos of quadratic equation of common roots. Now today I am going to discuss about a special type of equation which is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The link of the previous videos you can get from my description box. So, and at the end of this video I shall show you a problem of JEE Main in this type. So keep watching and let us start our class. The equation of the type x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. These two type of equation solving we get x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. As we know that the coefficient is 1 and we get 2 into 1. That means minus 1 plus minus root 3 minus root 3 by 2. That means minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 comma minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Cube root of unity. This is a value of cube root of unity, and we know that minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 is written as omega, and this is omega square. So the roots of the equation are x square, the roots of the equation are omega and omega square. You can solve it in another way. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x square plus 2 into x into half plus half square. After balancing this half square, that means minus half square plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x plus half whole square is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. That means minus 3 by 4. Therefore, x plus half its whole square is equal to root over minus 3 by 4. That means root over minus 3 by 2. Therefore, x plus half is equal to plus minus root 3i by 2. That means x is equal to minus half plus minus root 3i by 2. So the roots are omega and omega square. Then we know that omega into omega square is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That means omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Now, from this equation, we can write that if the roots are omega and omega square, then the equation is x square minus sum of two roots, omega plus omega square into x plus omega into omega square is equal to 0. Okay, after transforming this, we get x square plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, the roots of the equation are x is equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 1 plus minus b square means minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1. That means plus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 by 2 into 1. That means plus 1 plus minus root 3i by 2. That means 1 plus root 3i by 2, 1 minus root 3i by 2. 2. Now taking minus or multiply it by minus 1 we get, multiply this by minus 1 we get minus 1 minus root 3I by 2, and taking minus as common we get minus 1 plus root 3I by 2. That means this is equal to minus omega, and this is equal to minus, after multiplying by minus 1 we balance it by minus 2, then this is minus omega square minus, so the roots of the equation x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, its roots are minus omega comma minus omega square. Now we shall see some examples of this type. Now the example is, if alpha and beta are roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the roots of the equation, then find the roots of the equation whose roots are alpha to the power 19, whose roots are alpha to the power 19, whose roots are alpha to the power 19, beta to the power 7, is this JEE 2010-2011 West Bengal JEE. As you know earlier that x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, its roots are omega and omega square. Now alpha, then this is alpha and this is beta, then alpha to the power 19 means omega to the power 19, omega to the power 19 means omega to the power 18 into omega. As you know that omega to the power 3 is equal to 1, then this is omega cube whole to the power 9 whole to the power 6 into omega, that means omega. And beta to the power 7, that means omega square whole to the power 7, that means omega to the power 14, that means omega to the power 12 into omega square, that means omega square. So alpha to the power, the equation whose roots are alpha to the power 19, beta to the power 7 is x square, that means whose roots are omega and omega square, that means x square minus omega plus omega square into x plus omega into omega square is equal to 0, that means x square minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, that means x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So our required answer is D. D is the correct answer. Okay. Now we try for the next example. Now in the next example, as we know earlier that the roots of x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0 is minus omega and minus omega square. So we know that x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, whose roots are minus omega and minus omega square. Now we denote it, this is alpha and this is beta. Then alpha to the power 2013 plus beta to the power 2013, that means omega to the power 2013 plus minus omega square whole to the power 2013. Now we know that omega cube is equal to 1 and omega to the power 3n is equal to 1, that is multiple of 3. Now 2013 means 3 divided by 2013 that means three ones are 3. That means omega cube whole to the power 671. And this is also minus omega square whole cube to the power 671. That means 671 into 3 is 2030. So this is equal to, alpha means minus omega, and we get from here, this is minus 1 whole to the power 671 means this is also minus 1, and plus this is minus omega to the power 6 whole to the power 671. That means this is also 1, and this is odd number, so we get minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So this is an odd number, so minus 1 to the power 671 is minus 1. So what we get? B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. This is in the WBJE 2013. So we have solved this. Now the next sum is, so the next problem is x square minus x minus 1 plus x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, and alpha beta its root. Then we have to show that alpha to the power 2009 and beta to the power 2009 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. This is in the exam AIEEE 10. As we have said earlier that x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, whose roots are x is equal to minus omega and minus omega square. That means alpha is equal to minus omega and beta is equal to minus omega square. Now from where, that means again we alpha to the power 2009 plus beta to the power 2009, that means minus omega whole to the power 2009 plus minus omega square whole to the power 2009. That means minus omega to the power 2009 plus minus omega square whole to the power 2019 means 2009 means 4018. Now dividing it by, we know 2009, we get this 9s are 27. That means from here we get minus omega cube into 669 plus 2, and this can be written as minus omega. After multiplying this by 3, we get 3 3s are 9, 2 8, 3 9s are 27. That means 1. Then this becomes 3 into 1339 into omega to the power 1. This 1, and what we know is that minus omega cube whole to the power 669 into omega square, and this is minus omega cube whole to the power 1339 into omega, and it becomes, this is 1 multiple of 3n, and we know that multiple of 3n is equal to 1, that means this is omega square minus omega, and we know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, then omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1, and this is minus of minus 1, and your answer is 1. So C is the correct answer. This is the problem of JEE Main 2020. JEE Main if alpha is a root of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the matrix A 1 by root 3 1 1 1 1 a square 1 a square a to the power 4, then the matrix a to the power 31 is a cube a square I3 and a. So what we know from this equation, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, its roots are omega and omega square. Now if a is a root of this, that means either a is omega or a is omega square. Now we suppose that a is omega, then a is equal to 1 by root 3 1 1 1 1 omega square 1 omega square omega to the power 4, and this can be written as 1 by root 3 1 1 1 1 omega square and 1 omega square omega. Now we have to find out the value of a to the power 31. What we need to do is a into a, that means a square, that means a square, that means 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 1 1 1 omega square 1 omega square omega into, again we multiplying same matrix 1 omega square 1 omega square omega. Multiplying we get this is equal to 1 by 3 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means this is 3, this is 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square, this is 1 plus omega square. Now multiplying the second row we get this one, we get 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square. Second row is 1 plus omega square plus omega to the power 4. This is 1 plus omega cube plus omega to the power 4. Now again multiplying we get third row 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square plus omega. This is 1 plus omega cube plus 1 plus omega cube plus omega cube, and this is 1 plus omega to the power 4 plus omega square. In the second row we get 1 plus omega square plus omega to the power 4 1 plus omega cube plus this is this is omega cube, this is omega cube. So what I get from here 1 by 3 3 0 0 0 0 3 omega cube means 1 and this is 0 1 plus omega square 0 3, this is 0. So dividing both sides by 3 we get 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0. What we get? This is a square. This is a square. So we get a square is equal to this. Now from this what we get is that now we get now a square into a square. That means 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0 into 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0. What we get? Multiplying these two we get 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is also 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 0 1 0 and this is 0 0 1. So we get a to the power 4 is I3. A to the power 4 is equal to I3. Now we have to find the value of a to the power 31. A to the power 31 means a to the power 28 into a cube. That means a to the power 4 into 7 into a cube. A to the power 4 means I3. I3 to the power 7 into A3. So our required value is A3. So your correct answer is, this is A. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. This is the problem of JEE Main 2020. Okay, you understand it?